Getting nice and dirty. This is it for tonight. This is it. So Mount Massive was a big fat failure. Just kidding, it was still fun. I'm going to try it again, but first I'm going to try these other set of mountains. This isn't the mountain itself, but this is part of the ridge that leads up to it, and then it's like back behind this little mound. It's called Mount Democrat. That's the first one. It's a series of 4. It's Mount Democrat, Mount Cameron, Mount Lincoln, and then Mount Bros. Should be fun. Be a lot of it'd actually be pretty easy terrain, but it's gonna be pretty much the whole thing's gonna be above like 13.5, so that's gonna be sick. I'm very excited for the approach. It's gonna be steep and it's gonna be snowy. It's gonna be sick. This is dinner. For those who are curious about how I cook food while like living in a car and shit, I just meal prep. I meal prep at Whole Foods. I don't have to pay rent, so the money that I save not having to pay for that, I just don't cook. It's really that simple. Whole Foods on my neck. I'll fuck it up. I just realized I haven't even mentioned what I'm doing. This whole summer, I'm living in Colorado, and basically, I'm just trying to climb each 14er by the end of the summer. Which, it's technically not, it's not going to be like a super hard thing to do, but it's definitely going to take a lot of time. It's going to take a lot of redoing peaks because of weather, aka Mount Massive. Very excited. This is something I've wanted to do for a while, but I've never felt like comfortable enough in my mountain climbing skills, and I think I'm ready. My first 14 ever was Long's Peak, which is sick because that really hooked me. And immediately after that climb, I was just brainstorming and imagining ways to climb them all. Really excited to spend the whole season on this. It's gonna be just really cool to like watch the season progress, like, and like in the alpine environment. Like, I mean, right now it's literally basically winter. Did Quandary Peak, and that was literally a winter climb. Mount Massive was borderline a winter climb. I don't think it was as cold as like the dead of winter, but it was still fucking cold, fucking windy, spin drifts up the ass. So I've already gotten a little taste of winter in this. I've done 2 of them so far. I did Mount Sherman, and I did Quandary Peak. Some of these mountains are actually like just, it's more conducive to climb them when they have snow, or at least consolidated snow, so that it's just, you can take a direct line up. It's kind of cool because I've got kind of like this little puzzle going on where I'm trying to prioritize these snow routes before all the snow melts, while also like saving the more technical routes for later in the season. It's fun. Yeah, it's super fun. Yeah. I'm at 2 of 58. Tomorrow goes well, we'll be sitting at 6 out of 58. It's actually kind of warm out. So the route today, first I'm going to be following this road, and then I'm going to cut my way up this little, into this little basin, over into this basin, and back there is Lake Emma, and then take one of these couloirs up to this ridge, to this saddle, and then that's the summit back there. Yeah, this is gonna come in handy. Now begins the walk up, literally just a walk up to that point. At the saddle to this is Mount Cameron. Approaching Cameron now. Guessing this is a pile that signifies Mount Cameron. It's dry, so I'm running. Actually, I'm very surprised. Conditions are great. Yeah, freaking nice day. I have to put the phone away. I'm Mount Bross now. You can see the whole route. Basically, started in this gulch and then went up this little basin, and then you can't see the couloir, but followed up the couloir to this ridge, followed this ridge to that, dropped down, came up, a wrap on that. I'm at 6 out of 58 now, making good progress on the season. For next week, I'm Shivano and Tabaguchi, if that's how you say it. I don't even know. The Angels Shivano route. I'm excited about that one. That one's gonna be fun, especially with the snowpack as it is now. It's just gonna be a ramp. I can even get 3 next week. That'll put me at 9. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Should be good.